During the corals, which means the loss of habitat to all the other inhabitants of the reef. So if the corals die, the eventual thing is the reef dies also.
Land runoff is the primary source of suspended solids, which can cause murky waters. 10 million tons of sediment per year reaches our Caribbean Sea due to soil erosion from hillsides, plowed fields, construction sites, and quarries.
Now, just how does the LBS protocol help? Well, it alerts us to the serious problem of pollution from the land, and it identifies the main pollutants affecting our Caribbean Sea.
These include sewage and wastewater from showers, wash basins, and laundries of households, businesses, and hotels. In fact, 80 to 90% of wastewater is discharged into the sea without treatment. The LBS protocol identifies pollutants from chemical industries, extractive and mining industries, pulp and paper industries, manufacturing industries, sugar refining and distilleries, food processing and intensive farming. It describes the effects of land-based sources of pollution on human health and habitat health. It gives technical guidance for determining levels of marine pollutants. It provides scientific standards for safe discharges of effluent into the marine environment. 23 Caribbean countries signed the Cartagena Convention. However, only 2 countries, Trinidad and Tobago and Panama, acceded to the LBS protocol after its formal adoption in 1999. Both countries acceded in 2003, but until and unless 9 countries ratify or accede to it, the LBS protocol cannot be legally enforced.
If you are concerned about the health and quality of our marine environment and the benefits that we humans derive from it, you can make a difference by informing yourself about the LBS protocol
and by lobbying your government to adopt and implement it. The implementation of the Land-Based Sources of Marine Pollution Protocol, or the LBS Protocol, will benefit your quality of life in many practical ways. By reducing the wide range of land-based sources of pollution, you can enjoy clean rivers and seas with your children and your children's children. By improving agricultural practices, such as reducing the use of toxic chemicals, you can be assured of safe produce at the local market. Most of the region's potable water comes from our watershed areas, that is to say our streams and rivers or underground reserves. By reducing or eliminating the pollutants that reach these sources, you can be assured that your drinking water is clean. 100 million tourists visit the Caribbean each year. Fishermen, whale watchers, glass-bottom boat operators, tour guides, dive shops and hotels all depend on a clean, inviting sea to generate revenue. The LBS protocol protects this resource so that we can continue to earn a living from the sea while enjoying it. By signing and implementing the LBS protocol, governments of the wider Caribbean region can help reduce priority pollutants in the Caribbean Sea. The LBS protocol will also promote cooperation in monitoring, research, and exchange of scientific and technical information on land-based pollution. When one considers that 60% of the Caribbean population lives less than 100 kilometers from the coastline, it is all the more important for us to get help to clean up present pollutants, prevent future pollution problems, and promote sustainable agriculture, industry, tourism, and fisheries. Our future and that of our children can be in jeopardy if pollution from our lands and seas continues unchecked. In monetary value, our Caribbean countries stand to lose 95 to 140 million US dollars in fisheries revenue per year by 2015. Also at stake are 100 to 300 million US dollars per year in dive tourism revenues by the year 2015. It is also estimated that we will have to spend some 140 to 420 million US dollars per year by 2050 to protect our coastlines. The LBS protocol is an important tool in managing these valuable resources so that our children can benefit from them too. It is in your own interest to become a campaigner for the LBS protocol.
Our future development and livelihoods are threatened, but we have the power to make a difference. We must take action now.
For more information on how the LBS protocol can benefit you, please visit the website of the Caribbean Environment Program at www.cep.unep.org or contact your local ministry responsible for environmental matters.